Oh, FYI, I'm designed by AI, you know. I felt so lonely in this new country. I don't know anyone here.
7 months ago, I introduced Dzine AI to my audiences, and I heard that Dzine AI has big updates, and now Dzine AI is all-in-one AI platform, which means this platform empowers creators and teams to make professional AI video and collaboration through Dzine AI. You can experience automated seamless workflow from prompts to text to image, then use that image to generate a video, and also use AI lip sync, plus you have a video editor. So no more jumping between different AI tools. Dzine is your one-stop command center for professional video production. If you come across my last video about Dzine, you must remember that I'm so impressed by how Dzine AI controls the result of the AI images and also videos. And today the features even get stronger. You can generate not only images but also videos, and also you can use the online AI avatar generator to generate your own AI avatar and create winning ads in seconds. You will benefit if you are marketing people, right? And also controllable AI graphic design. I mean, this is really called controllable because all the AI generators, they got this serious problem that the result is uncontrollable. But Dzine AI did the very best on controls of the images and also videos. And you can actually do many things in Dzine AI. You can generate a perfect image by using your Scratch. If you're not a designer, you can also use your prompt, typing, and build up the consistent character, and then use image to generate a video. You can be your favorite character in your favorite movie by using this face swap. And also, you can insert objects, AI eraser, enhance. You get so many tools. So no matter your role is a influencer just like me, or you're marketing people, or you're running your one-man company, you can all benefit from this. So don't go away. So in the next few minutes, I will teach you how to use Dzine to make your first AI video. What we're waiting for. Let's go. So let's click here, log in. And if you don't have your Dzine account, you can click here, start for free. Okay, there we go. This is our dashboard and a very professional one. In our left hand, we have a sidebar. We have entry point for different tools, different functionalities. On our right hand, we have a big input zone where we can type our prompt. And on top of that, we have 2 different buttons. So first tab is about the AI image, and the second is about AI video. And let's choose this AI image first. If you want to use an existing image, you can click here, upload from your device. But now let's use a prompt to generate an image. And click here, you can choose different AI models for image generation. My favorite for now is Nano Banana Pro. And you even got Nano Banana 2. And you got C-Dream, you got the Grok, you got the GBT. The top image generation models are all here. So let's choose Nano Banana 2 first. And click here to select our ideal aspect ratio. So I think I'm gonna choose this one, 16:9. And for the image quality, you have 3 options, 1K, 2K, 4K. What's the difference? And 2K is about 2000 pixels and 4K is about 4000 pixels. And you can even manually type the width. Alright, let's click here. So by click this button, meaning we'll generate the image. Okay, you can find the results here. And I must say it's perfect because I have some ideas about this image, but it looks a bit off, right? So we can click here, chat editor, and we can type our prompt to modify it. For example, but I'm looking for some character in the movie, so I made some changes and just click here. So you can click here to download this image, and you can choose your format. You can choose your resolution. For example, if you click here, check it out. Now we have a 4K image, and you can double, triple the pixels. Just click here, download. Alright, now the image is downloaded to my computer, and I can use this tool, this famous Dzine image editor. I'm not exaggerating. I can click here, upload the image. So this time I'm not gonna regenerate it, right? Because when I regenerate the whole image, some parts of the image maybe I want to keep, but it will change, right? So for example, I want to change the expression of this girl. Just click here, expression. See, now we have the parameters we can tweak, and also we have a template. For example, like this one, this emoji, what's gonna happen? Oh man, I'm so sorry. What about this one? Yeah, this looks like the meme, right? Let's going back and let's use this one. Looks like more appropriate. If we tweak from here, see the eye got just changed, and also you can tweak about like the eyeball. See? And we can make it lower. Yeah, this can accurately controls all the expressions from the girl, right? You can upload your portrait to manipulate the facial expression. And you can click here down. And also you can use the AI eraser to remove anything from this image. For example, this character, let's select here. We can just type remove and click generate. It looks like the Photoshop to me, but it's just much better. See, it's gone. And when you're done your editing, you can click here lip sync. And now it's automatically selected the face, right? And click next. And click here to pick up a voice. So first you have two different buttons, my voice and explore. And you can click here, create or clone a voice. But right now, just let's pick up one from the library. You can choose, you can explore. This is so many voices, and you can view by the category, for example, like the different languages. So right now I'm using English. So I choose this one. And let's type our prompt. And let's click the generate audio, click apply. And now in our timeline, we have one video, one voice. If you cannot see it's clear, you just click here. Then you can click here to preview the voice. Okay, I think now looks good, right? So let's generate our lip sync. So first you need to choose your output quality. Let's use a higher one and click the generate. See, now it's working. Your result will be appears here. So when you scroll down, you can find our previous version. So this is where we're going from this image to this lonely sadness foreign country image. Then we're building the video. Let's click here to preview.
I felt so lonely in this new country. I don't know anyone here.
Oh my god, I gotta say, the quality is so amazing, right? And now let's go back to home and to make a close shot, okay? So first let's select AI image and upload our image. Okay, you can see our image is already being uploaded, and let's type our prompt. And I still use Nano Banana Pro. So when we click here, the styles, you can find in design, you actually have the preset style you can choose from. That's truly helpful because, you know, sometimes if you're not very good at the prompt engineer, it's not very easy to get what you're wishing for, right? So let's choose this realistic style. And for the aspect ratio, because in end of the day, we're making this video, so let's choose the 16:9. And for the quality, choose 1K and click this button. Oh, here we go. Now we have a close look at this girl, right? And we can use this chat editor. Let's click here. Yeah, now it's more like it. And let's click here, AI video. And let's click here, impression edit again. And just likewise, you can tweak the impression of this girl. You may notice that in the left and right, we have two text, for example, like the closed and open. And you can turn on the smile easily, right? That's majorly thanks to the AI power. So now you can easily control impression. And when you finish, click down, clip the lip sync. You can download the image for future to use. And I found this 3D functionality. Let's try it out. And if you want to rotate it a little bit, you just type the prompt. And let's click lip sync again. Okay, face is automatically selected. And if not, you can click here to mark the face manually. Click next. And for the aspect ratio, stick to the original. Click next. Same process, remember. Click the create audio. Okay, nice. Click apply. And you need to click generate again. And now just waiting for the result. Okay, now we generate it again. And also you can use this AI video. You have a multiple selection. You have many AI models that you can use. I think I'm going with the Google View 3.1. And let's upload a start frame and also end frame. And this button is a switch for the sound. Let's just put it on. And here we have multiple selections. First is aspect ratio. And second is the quality. You can choose higher quality. And for duration, let's choose 8 seconds. And let's click create. Meanwhile, I want to recommend more video models, for example, like the Design Video V2, CDance 1.5 Pro, CDance Pro, WN 2.6, and they are all uncensored AI model. Okay, now the video is already generated. Let's click play.
Oh, FYI, I'm designed by AI, you know.
So you can use this design to create your idea from nothing to a complete AI video. And then you can use lip sync and video generation to generate videos. And don't forget, all the images allows you to control the expression, and you can fix the hand problem. You can remove everything. You can tweak about everything. Okay, so much for today. Hope you liked today's content. And if you have any questions, don't forget to leave in the comment zone. I will see you on the next video. Bye bye.
Hey, don't forget to subscribe to James Shee's channel.